tuta. Unsa naman eh?
So, i-video call na natin siya. Ay, ang taray! Ang kakagising mo lang? Ganyan ka na? Ang taray!
Ate, parang feeling ko dapat magpa-glam ka din, magpa-makeup ka. Wala, nahiya tuloy ako.
Wait lang, titinan ko yung glam team ko. Ganun ba yung magsalita? Kailangan mo talaga ako turuan, Bea. Huwag ka mahiya sa akin, ha?
Okay, ate, I will...
Are you sleeping?
No, ate, nagpapunti sa mga...
Happy baby. Turuan mo na lang ako maging maarte.
Okay, ate, that's just like so basic. Ready,
Okay, thank you. See you. Susundan kita, ha?
Ate, oh my gosh, you're gonna sundo me ba?
Yeah, I'll sundo you.
So you will need like a lot of energy, ha?
Yeah,
I'm warning you now na.
Okay,
ate.
Ingat. Normal din, naka-glam siya. Wait lang, kailangan natin tawagan ng glam team ko. Siyempre, walang iba kundi si Polo natin at si Aryan Bukat. Sila talaga nag-aayos sa akin. And they are the best. Nagulat ako, nagpa-ultrasound siya. Pero naka-glam. Ganun pala pag nagpa-ultrasound. Ay, no na. Let's call. Hindi ako sasagutin ito kasi tulog pa. Hello?
Hello, ma?
Ma, pwede mo ko make-upan ngayon?
Ngayon na, ma?
Yes, kakain lang ako sa labas. I wanna be like glam.
Like super glam?
Yeah, like just a normal day.
Sige, mag-prepare lang ako.
Yeah, okay, bye.
Bye!
Isang tawag mo lang andyan na sila. So this is just a normal day for me. Pag gising, you know, I like to just be beautiful. Even when you're just gonna have lunch or go around Manila, you have to always be in Paul Unating and Aryan Bukat. Don't hide. So later I'm gonna meet my kumare. When we hang out kasi it's like this, you know. Kami Paul Unating ay magsalita. May bahid kasi pinagsalita sila eh. So this is my glam team for today. And every day.
Hello!
Hi! Mama! Social tayo today! Ano Hilo? Tama na. So this is the look. Madam, hindi ako maldita. Maarte. Super maarte like that. Okay? Tara na. Ay, sorry. Social pala. Okay, let's go now. Let's go ride na the car. So, I'm gonna go make sundo na my kumare. So, yeah. Hi, Mars. Yes, I'm here na. Can you make like babano? Okay. So, she's there na. Oh my God! Oh my God! Akala ko
Oh my God, ate, I wasn't prepared. Ganyan pala dapat. Like, even styling. Sorry na, I'm like just a preppy girl for today.
Really, girl ma! Sobrahan pala ako today. Ano ba sabi mo kanina?
Ate,
Glam!
yeah, I didn't expect like this. Okay lang yun, ate, babawi lang. Ako naka-Vankit, naka-Rolex naman ako. Pwede na ba yun?
Ano ba yung kikay? Yung
Actually, they were the ones who labeled me like that. Kikay, maarte, konyo. Pero ate, it's just me. I don't even,
can you teach me?
Okay, ate, I think it's kind of hard because I think you need to aral sa girls' school for like sobrang dami years.
Oh.
But then I will try my best, okay? And I hope my best will be enough.
Okay,
Oh my God, ate.
Akala ko kasi sabi, so sorry, it's too much, but wala na, nandito na tayo, mami.
Parang PA for a day ata to, ate, ah. Parang, wait lang. Sana nagpa-customize na din ako. Wait, I'm still not ready for this.
Mga nagkaon.
Okay. Google. Hindi, mag-pray pa yung locker. Hindi na ako. Yung mga... Huwag mo rin na ako, ha? Manias.